Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Adobe PS tutorial. Today I'm gonna make a how to change green background into the dark black in the Lightroom. So let's get started the tutorial. Firstly, open Lightroom, open and import your image. Go to library and import. This is our image. Double click on this and go to develop. Now we go to into the HSL color settings. Click and go to the green color, green, and saturation minus 100 and luminance minus 21. Go to the yellow color, yellow, and saturation minus 100 and luminance minus 30. And go to the aqua color, saturation again minus 100, and go to the orange color, orange, and saturation should be increased like 8 and luminance should be 40. 35 is enough. Yes, I think 35 is no, 40 is enough. Yeah, 40 is good. Go to the other settings, basics, and increase the clarity. Clarity I think should be 30. 30. Yes, 30 is enough. And go to the detail sharpening. I think we need to increase the sharpening amount. We will increase the luminance 10 and increase the color also like 27, 30. Yeah, 30 is enough. Now go to the effect, decrease the amount of minus 30 and decrease the midpoint minus 30, sorry, only 30, and go to the lens correction and check this and select Nikon and see how is it in this. Now we go to the gadget filter here, click on this and draw the filter little and change the tint and contrast, exposure little bit down, and we should I think contrast should be 40 and exposure should be 2. Yeah, and tint is minus 100. I think this is looking nice, and I think this is done for me. So try this setting on your photo. So till then, bye, take care, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and share our video.